The event, which was held at Mrs Obodoefuna's residence, Littlewood Estate, Obosi, attracted children numbering over 400 that cut across all ages as they had fun with lots of gift items for them. Speaking to the ABS in an interview, the founder of the NGO, Mrs Ngozi Obodoefuna, a retired nurse, said she was moved to organize the party for the indigent children so as to give them a sense of belonging, regretting that a lot of Nigerian kids do not know what it feels like to receive gifts from Santa Claus during Christmas.
Because this my little charity and Hope for All, right, is also doing some school fees. We pay school fees to some children that are underprivileged. So any open at the parents time when we case matter. Asimia kaenwaba, you know, tinye. So only way you can yamekwa. Makana umwaza edi makafa fancha just akuko. We fedica education and education and maybe fan education ever aketa. Some of these questions are here are what they meet in their class.
On her part, one of the sponsors from United Kingdom, Lady Jennifer Thompson, who said she had known Mrs Obodoefuna for the past 40 years, explained that she was invited to come and witness the party, which according to her has been a wonderful experience starting from the planning to the final stage.
It's been wonderful to prepare for the party. There's been a lot of hard work and planning and preparation, and it's just lovely that the day has finally come, and to see all the children enjoying themselves. That's what it's all about. It's for children, give them a bit of happiness and pleasure, especially most of them have quite a difficult, hard life.
One of the party organizers, Mrs Ngozi, who enumerated most of the foundation's plans for the indigent children, said the Christmas party has been an annual ritual as this is the third edition and commended the initiator of the project.
Today is a very special day for our children. The HFA, which means Hope for All Foundation, is organizing a beautiful party, especially for the underprivileged children. We do it annually, and this year is our third year. So we are making everybody just know that we believe in them and they should believe in us because we have a lot to give to them. Not only that, we also help families that are unable to pay for their children's school fees. We assist them because every child is unique.
Parents whose children were at the party, Mrs. Chinenye Mode and Mr. Augustine Chikwendo, appreciated the organizers, adding that the party is getting better every year. Some of the kids, Miss Chiamaka and Master Ifanyo Umbolu, expressed gratitude to God and same to the organizers for celebrating the children and prayed for God to replenish their pockets. High points of the event include the arrival of Father Christmas to the venue, traditional hip-hop dance by children, as well as drama presentation.